Hello and welcome to our new video tutorial. In this video tutorial we will be learning about how to check whether a number is uh, prime or not in Python. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I have created a variable, boolean variable is prime, and I marked it as true initially. Then what I did, I took input from the user on runtime, and I assumed that the number that would be given by user must be an integer. So if that number is 0, that means it's not a prime number, and if it is 1, 0 and 1 are not prime number, we check prime number from 2 and onwards. A number is prime if that number is not divisible by any of the number below that number up to 2. So if the number is not 0, if the number is 0, it's not a prime. If the number is 1, it's not prime. But else then what we are going to check, we are going to check whether it's a prime number or not. So I run a loop for I in range from 2 to the number that we have given as input. Now each time, the values of I would be 2, 3, 4, 5 up to the number, and if any of the number divides this number that we want to check completely, then that number is not a prime number, so we change is prime to false. But if none of this happens, if none of these the conditions happens, then obviously the number is true, is prime is true, and that means the number is prime number. So if is prime is still true after checking that many conditions, we say the input number is prime. Otherwise, if it's false, then number is not a prime number. So let's check. So let me clear the screen and I want to run. For example, I want to check 9 is it a prime or not. So the number 9 is not a prime number. Let's check another one. 17. What do you think? 17 is a prime number? Yes, it's a prime number because 17 is only divided by 17 and 1, and no any other number less than 17. So this is how we can create an algorithm to check a prime number. I hope this would help.